Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Ruma speaking. Welcome to Ruma's World. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make very fast and really easy way like shrimp and vegetables. So please watch step by step. Thank you.
So guys, let's get started now. Here is shrimp I already washed, and then next I need peppers, 3 different kind of peppers I already sliced, and then tomato slices, onion slices, and at the end I need coriander chopped leaf. Coriander leaves. I am adding onion and oil also inside. Let them fry a little bit. After that I'm adding shrimp. I'm going to just light fry, and after that I'm adding turmeric, just little bit, about half teaspoon, and also half teaspoon chili powder, and 1 teaspoon salt I added, and then tomato slices add, after that adding little bit of water, yeah, now more tomatoes adding, I'm going to add a little bit more water now, and a little bit more tomato slice also. After that I'm adding 3 different kinds of, you see over there, sliced peppers. Yeah, waiting for 2 minutes. You see, I'm just for garnishes I'm using coriander leaves, just little bit sprinkle on it. My shrimp with onion ready.
So guys, how do you like my easier to make shrimp with vegetables curry? Very first. If you like, please subscribe my channel, comments me so that in my next video I'll show you like more quick and easy make. So that's all for today. Stay healthy. Thank you.